Welcome to Future Ready Hiring, a podcast where we explore how technology, innovation, and a bit of AI magic are reshaping how companies to find and hire talent. I am Penakalapati, a founder of Ceipal. In this episode, we dive into how AI agents like voice AI, job optimizers, supplier intelligence are changing the recruiter's day from task heavy to insight driven. But this isn't about podcasts or products, it's about possibility, where hiring is faster, smarter, and more humane. So, whether you are a recruiter, a staffing firm, or enterprise buyer, or just an AI enthusiast, this episode is for you.
Let's start with a big picture. AI agents in recruiting. Why do you think 2024-25 is a turning point for AI in talent acquisition?
AI adoption in staffing has surged, growing over 3x between 2021 and 2024, according to SIA. This momentum is driven by the rise of Gen AI and automation, especially in high touch, repetitive tasks like screening, engagement, and communications. In post-pandemic landscape where speed and agility are critical, AI is becoming a core enabler of faster, smarter decision making in talent acquisition.
You've introduced recruiter specific AI agents like Voice Agent, Job Optimizer, and Candidate Relevancy. Why focus on these three to begin with?
The best AI adoption starts by targeting real recruiter bottlenecks: manual screening, unclear job descriptions, and poor candidate job matching. Each AI agent was purpose built to solve a specific pain point, not just to add AI. For example, the voice agent alone can reduce recruiter screening time by almost 60 to 70%, freeing up bandwidth for higher value tasks and dramatically improving hiring velocity.
The voice agent sounds futuristic. How does it enhance screening efficiency without losing the human touch?
The voice agent follows a human led, AI assisted model designed to streamline candidate screening. It automatically initiates calls during a predefined working days and hours, creating a structured yet flexible outreach process. During the interaction, it compares the candidate resume data against the job description. It's dynamically adjusting questions based on how well the candidate aligns with the role. The system is highly configurable. Recruiters can tailor the number of questions, call duration, and evaluation parameters to ensure an accurate and efficient assessment of candidate suitability to the job.
Job descriptions are notoriously either too vague or too long. How is the Job Optimizer agent helping fix this?
The job description optimizer uses a generative AI to tailor job descriptions for different audiences, recruiters and candidates, ensuring clarity and relevance for each. This AI driven optimization not only saves time but also improves apply rates by up to 30%, according to a LinkedIn hiring report. By automatically generating compelling audience specific content, it helps drive stronger engagement and better hiring outcomes. In fact, staffing teams using Gen AI based JD tools have reported up to 40% reduction in time spent on job posting, significantly boosting recruiter productivity.
Relevancy is subjective for many recruiters. How does the candidate relevancy check agent bring objectivity to hiring?
The candidate relevancy agent uses predictive scoring to evaluate how closely a resume matches to the job description, effectively reducing noise in the screening process. It helps recruiters quickly identify and prioritize interview ready profiles from a large pool of candidates. By aligning recruiter intuition with the data driven insights, it significantly speeds up shortlisting and improving hiring accuracy.
Let's pivot to recruiter intelligence. How is Ceipal Copilot changing how recruiters work day to day?
Think of it as a recruiting co-pilot, an AI assistant that reads resumes, summarizes key qualifications, and generate personalized email and SMS templates. It automates candidate engagement with timely, tailored messaging, helping recruiters stay connected without the manual lift. The result, reduced workload and higher candidate response rates, all while keeping the process human centric.
You've expanded this concept into job posting, assessments, and even Boolean query generation. Is this where Gen AI is winning?
The Gen AI act as an equalizer, helping recruiters, especially those without deep tech sourcing expertise, level up instantly. Whether it crafting a complex Boolean search string or writing personalized outreach emails, Gen AI bridges the skills gap with ease. It's not about replacing humans, but about empowering them to work smarter and faster.
Supplier networks are equally critical. Ceipal VMS seems to bring AI into that world too. What pain points are you solving here?
Matching jobs to the right supplier has traditionally been a slow and subjective process. Ceipal BMS changes that by using AI to rank suppliers and their candidates based on real data like past performance, submission speed, quality, and rejection ratios. This brings objectivity and speed to a function that was once entirely people driven, improving both efficiency and outcomes.
The idea of automatically matching supplier candidates to jobs using past submissions. That feels like smart recycling. How does that work?
The system leverages 12 to 24 months of historical submission data to intelligently match resumes to new job openings based on the job title, skills, rate, and success metrics. This is not only ensures a better candidate fit, but also saves time for both suppliers and buyers, accelerating redeployment, a critical driver for cost savings and workforce continuity.
Final question. How do you see the future of recruiting evolve over the next 3 years with AI agents and platforms like Ceipal leading the way?
With seamless ATS and VMS integration, staffing teams gain unified hiring intelligence across internal recruiters and supplier networks. We're now seeing the rise of fully autonomous workflows that handle sourcing, screening, and supplier coordination, allowing recruiters to shift their focus. Instead of repetitive tasks, they are evolving into strategic talent advisors, empowered by AI that takes care of the grunt work. Thanks for turning into a future ready hiring. If this conversation sparked a new idea or helped you rethink how your team hires, I would love to hear about it. You can find more insights, tools, and resources at ceipal.com/podcast and follow the conversation on LinkedIn. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and keep building a future ready workforce. Thank you.